walk like this, talk like this, look like this, you could never. Bad red bone from the south, round hitting licks with a yellow. Bitch so bad when I walk past, niggas sing my name a cappella.
Hey loves, as you guys can see by the title below, I am going to be showing you some Christmas gift guide under $20. You guys know this is my favorite time of the year, Christmas, Thanksgiving, all that good jazz. So you guys know when I do my Christmas shopping, I actually start shopping like in August because I have quite a few family members and friends, and just I have a lot of gifts to give to people and get for people. So you guys have been requesting me since last year to do the Christmas gift guide under $20. This is more of like affordable items. If you guys do want a part 2 of like gift guides for men or gift guides for women or gift guides for kids, or I could just accumulate it all into one video. Probably not items under $20. Give this video a thumbs up and I will definitely do that for you guys. I'm going to show you guys what I got, and if you stay tuned to the end of the video, there's going to be a giveaway. Last week I did a giveaway for 3 winners. Each person won $50. Also, you guys, sometimes if I'm doing my giveaway, if you have Cash App, instead of me mailing your money in the mail, which I don't send money, I send gift cards, Visa gift cards, that way you can use it to purchase whatever. But if you have a Cash App and you prefer me to Cash App you the money, then I'll have all the detailed information down below where you guys can contact me when it's time and just tell me you want to get Cash App if you do, and it makes it easier for me and also easier for you. So yeah, stay tuned to the end of the video for that. So I'm going to go ahead and jump right into the first item I see right here. I think I have over 10 items, so I'm going to try to get through this video as quick as possible, but y'all know I bitch can talk. So the first item I have is called a remote control caddy and charging station. Now, I got these items from Walmart, Marshalls, Best Buy, and I think that's it. Those are the stores that I went to. So this one is, like I said, a remote control caddy and charging station. If you guys remember, you haven't watched their what they got for Christmas video last year, it will be linked down below. I got the kids one of these for Christmas because I'm such an organized person and I don't like phones and remote controls and all that stuff just on the dresser or on the side tables and stuff like that. So this is really, really cool. As you guys can see, you can put your phone here, you can put your remote control there. You can also put other items behind it because it has like 3 different rows right here. It's like 1, 2, 3, and I think this was like $6. This is a really, really good Christmas gift for me. I would give this to anybody, kids, adults. Actually my husband has one on the side of his bed, but it's a little bigger than this. He can put his wallet in it, his keys in it, and stuff like that. So, and I think that one came from Target because it was in one of the gift guide videos from last year for men, I believe. And it was bigger than this one. And he can put his phone, his remote, his keys, his wallet, and a lot of items in it. Is definitely bigger than this. I think that one was $19.99, but like I said, I think this one was like $6. So this is definitely a steal. If I had to guess where I got it from, because it is not on here, I would probably say I got this from Walmart. I know I got this from Walmart. It is a hydrating and softening rose and coconut aromatherapy spa treatment little set. This includes bath soap, bath salt, bath frizzies, bath bombs, essential oils, shea butters. It just has a lot of good stuff in here. It has like the macaroon coconut, the cocoa rose, and the rose petal. This is a 9-piece set, and I know I got this from Walmart for sure. I think it was like $9. Probably not even $9, but this is how it looks. As you guys can see, it has everything you need to give someone for a nice, like, little romantic little evening, or also just someone who you know likes to you know, relax and treat themselves. Besides going to spend, you know, a lot of money on like spas and stuff, is everything you need right here. And like I said, it came from Walmart and it's super, super, super cheap. Gift that I have, this is actually beard oil. I know my husband has a beard and he loves getting stuff for his beard and stuff like that, and there's a lot of men around here that has beards, whether it's your son or your boyfriend, your fiance, your husband, and they have a beard. Of course you want to treat your beard. I got this from Walmart for sure. This is called Cremo Astonishing Superior, that's the brand. But this is a premium barber grand quality, and it just says beard oil samples. They have 3 different revising beard oils, and they look just like this. So that's really neat if you are someone and know someone who has a beard. The next item that I have, this is a arm rest organizer. Try to get it so you guys can see. Right here, you just put it on your arm rest. Right here, it just have like glasses, remote, cell phone, newspaper, pen, notepad, little, I think those pistachios, water and stuff like that. I hope you guys can see this arm rest organizer because the room is super, super bright. I just love this idea. I think it's very, very organized. If you're someone and you like your stuff organized, this is definitely a gift. Even if you want to purchase it for yourself, this is a really, really good gift, and this is a good gift to give to someone else. The next item I have is a wireless speaker for the shower. I got my kids these last year. If you guys remember, if you go watch their What They Got for Christmas video, I got them these. Now, I did not get them from the store. I actually got them, I believe, on Groupon. They were originally like $50-some, and one day I got on Groupon and they were like 15 bucks. They were super, super cheap. These are actually cheaper. You guys, I got these from Marshall's, and if you guys can see right here, it was only $4. So, yes, do not sleep on Marshalls. They have so many items on their clearance rack. If you're someone balling on the budget around Christmas time, they have really, really cool gifts. A lot of cool electronic items there for really, really good prices. And if you go toward the back of the store, like TJ Maxx, Home Goods, Marshalls, they have so many items on their clearance rack. And you can steal some really, really good deals at the store. This is a really expensive gift, and it was only $4. Like I said, it was on the clearance for $4. It's really, really cool. I know the reason I got mine and my kids one is because my kids like to take their phones in their bathrooms, listen to music while they're in the tub and stuff like that. And sometimes phones can catch moisture. So this is a really, really good way to listen to music, and it's wireless. It's for the shower. It's waterproof. It's not going to get messed or anything like that. So yeah, it's really, really cute. This item I have right here is an LED makeup mirror. You guys, this was only $19.99. I remember because I was like, oh my god, this is so cute for only $19.99. And look how it looks. It has the lights and everything on it, you guys. So if you're a makeup lover and you love on your makeup, you can pick this up for yourself. You can actually pick this up for your friends or like for your best friend or someone, because like I said, I'm not gonna tell y'all who the gifts is for, but just know they're for people. But it's really, really dope. It has 180 rotation. It's convenient for storage space. It's touch activate, so you can just touch it and it will turn on. It also has dimmable lights, battery powered USB charging as well. So girl, you can be doing your makeup and charging your phone at the same time. I just thought this was a really, really cool item. Like, look how cool this is. Touch activation. $19.99. Okay. Next up, I have a pair of slides. I thought these was really, really cute. You guys know I love to get my feet done in the winter. I get my feet done the entire year. Some people stop getting their feet done and wait till the summer, but girl, I get my feet done all year round. And I thought these were super, super cute. These are some really cute slides. They kind of reminded me of like the Gucci Inspire ones with the fur on it, because the red and the green. Really, really cute. I will have the company name linked down below. If I have any coupon codes, I will have them linked down below. I actually picked up 3 different pairs. This is the next pair that I have. I love like the little fur on it. Really, really cute. It only shows a little bit of my toes, which I really, really like. And they keep my feet warm if I don't have on any socks, if it's a little cool outside. But I can wear these all year round, you guys. So yeah, super, super cute. So this color is more of like a tannish orange black color. The ones I just showed you had like purple, pink, and yellow and stuff in it. So I really, really do like these. If you guys follow me on Snapchat, you guys are going to definitely see me rocking these because these are mine. These are not for anyone else. Next up, I have a mug. You guys know I'm obsessed with mugs. Oh my God, if you guys follow me on Snapchat, you will see my mug collection I have. I actually collect, yes, I actually collect really cute mugs. To me, mugs are more personal. When I buy mugs, I always think of myself when I purchase the mugs, like different quotes and things like that. This one just says Holiday Boss. This is actually for me because hello, I feel like I'm the holiday boss, of course. And it came with this little spoon, but it's really, really cute. If you're someone that drinks coffee or tea or drink like cocoa or whatever, or you know someone who drinks like coffee every day, maybe your mom or your grandmother or someone at your job, this would be a really good gift to give someone. I think mugs are always a cute gift to give someone. I have is a deluxe men's grooming set. If you're someone that knows someone who loves to groom and take care of themselves, this is a really, really good idea to give someone. Like I said, this could be for your son, your boyfriend, or your husband. And it comes with a lot of stuff in here, and it also comes with a traveling case. So this is a really good idea to give someone for Christmas. The next item I have is a magnet mount. And this is good for iPhones or cell phones. I think this is really, really good. As long as you're someone who likes to drive and use your device for directions and things like that, you don't have to keep looking down at your phone for directions. It's kind of like your own little GPS in your car. You just stick it right there in your vent. And if you guys see on the back, I got this for $6 at Marshall's. Like I said, y'all sleeping on Marshall's, but they really have some good electronic items like in the back of the store where the clearance rack is at. So definitely go and check them out. But this is a really good idea. You can give this to anyone who drives, basically. The next item I have right here is a 37-piece makeup set. I just thought this was a really, really good gift to give someone who I know is just starting off with makeup. It has so many different items in here. It has lashes, it has the makeup palette, it has lipstick, lip gloss. It has everything you need in here. And I remember I got this from Walmart, and I think it was like $10. Like I said, everything that I'm showing you guys was less than $20. So yeah, I thought it was a really, really good idea to give someone who was just starting to do makeup, or even someone who does makeup, because Walmart be having some really, really good makeup palettes in there as well. And since we're talking about makeup, this is the makeup brush collection. I thought this was so freaking gorgeous, you guys. Look how gorgeous those brushes are. The camera is not going to even do this any justice. I may zoom in a little bit so you guys can see. Oh my God, it's so cute. You guys know you can go to any makeup store. The brushes are going to start at like $30-something, sometimes $20. But if you want a really good brush, they start about $30 and up. And then also you get the travel bag on the side. I thought it was really, really good that it came with this set and it matched perfectly. So you guys, don't sleep on Walmart. It's a really, really good deal for someone who is just starting off doing their makeup. When I saw this, I was like, this is a really, really good gift to give someone. You can play this. You don't have to be kids. I see a lot of grown people playing this as well. So this is how it looks. You guys can see the ring light. I'm trying to do where you guys can't see the ring light. But this is how it looks. It's a really, really good game to keep people entertained. Like I said, it doesn't have to be children. It could be anyone. And I got this from Walmart. They actually had a lot of different sizes. I just got the smaller one because I know who this gift is going to. So really cool idea. You guys, I'm super excited because I know who is going to be receiving this gift for Christmas. You guys, this is a back massager with soothing heat. I got this from Walmart as well. I remember, if you guys remember, I got the kids a gift sort of like this last year, but it was for their neck. And I thought it was really, really cool when I saw this one in there. And they have so many different items over there, like for your feet, foot massagers, heat pads, and everything like that. So if you're someone who works a lot, and you know someone who works a lot, and you want them to like get their own little massage at home, honey, this is definitely the way to go. You can use this in your car. You can use this at home, in your bed, laying down. You can use this on your couch if you're watching TV. This is what it looks like, as you guys can see right here. Like I said, this is someone laying on their back, someone in their office and in their home, and this is someone in their car. You guys, I think this was only $16.99. This is definitely a really, really good deal. And then down here at the bottom, it just says back massager, vibration, 2-level intensity, so they have high and low, soothing heat, and you can use it in your home, office, or in your car. Pretty much it for this video, you guys, for my Christmas gift ideas under $20. It's not always about how much you spend, it's the thought that counts. So with that being said, now it's time for the giveaway portion of this video. So this giveaway, I'm choosing 5 winners, and each winner is going to win $50 as well. So that's 5 winners this time instead of 3. So I'm going to tell you guys everything you need to do to enter this giveaway, and you must follow the rules or you will not even qualify to be picked to win the $50. So with that being said, I'm going to tell you guys everything you need to do to enter the giveaway. You have to be subscribed to my channel. You have to give this video a big thumbs up. Definitely have to follow me on Instagram and Snapchat, because that is where I'm only going to announce the winners. This giveaway is going to last for 2 weeks this time. 2 weeks. Last week I let it last for 1 week. But I wanted to give more people time to enter the giveaway because the giveaway only lasted for a week. So I'm going to let it last for 2 weeks. I will have down in the description the date that I will get on Instagram and Snapchat to tell you guys who won the giveaway. Also, like I said, there's going to be 5 winners at $50. Now, you must go to the first link you will see in the description down below, which will be the kids what they got for Christmas 2018. In that video, you have to say enter me and leave in the video how many times my daughter said period in that video. And she said it quite a bit in that video. So don't try to look at nobody else's answers and see if, you know, go by their answer. If you want to win the $50, you have to watch the video from the beginning to the end and put enter me and put how many times my daughter said period in that video. I will choose the winner 2 weeks from today. So like, subscribe, follow me on Instagram and Snapchat. Go to the first link in the description. Put enter me in the comments and let me know how many times my daughter said period, and that's it. That's all you have to do, and you have to watch the complete video so you can definitely make sure you have the correct answer. Don't be trusting these people in the comments. If you want to win your money, honey, you watch that video and you make sure you got the correct answer. So that's pretty much it for this video. If you guys want more gift guides for men, gift guides for women, if you want me to do it separately, one for women, one for men, one for kids, just leave it in the comments down below and let me know. And that's pretty much it for this video. I love you guys so much. Don't forget to click on the notification bell to be notified every time I post a video. I love you guys so much. And until next time, you guys, bye.
I had to hop off the porch and go get it. I went to pick up the torch and then lit it. They tried to tell me I can't, but I did it. When I pull up, bitches look like they shit it. I had to start from the motherfucking bottom.